राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू ने राष्ट्रपति भवन में भारत के सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के 3 प्रकाशन जारी किए। इस अवसर पर राष्ट्रपति ने कहा कि भारत के सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने एक ऐसा न्याय शास्त्र विकसित किया है जो भारतीय लोकाचार और वास्तविकताओं में निहित है। उन्होंने खुशी व्यक्त करते हुए कहा कि जस्टिस फॉर द नेशन नामक पुस्तक में सर्वोच्च न्यायालय की 75 वर्षों की यात्रा के मुख्य बिंदुओं को दर्शाया गया है। इसमें लोगों के जीवन के विचार पहलुओं पर सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के प्रभाव का भी वर्णन किया गया है। राष्ट्रपति ने कहा कि हमारी न्याय वितरण प्रणाली को एक न्याय संगत और निष्पक्ष समाज के रूप में हमारी आगे की यात्रा को मजबूत करना चाहिए।
I am happy to note that the Supreme Court of India has been organizing very purposeful activities and events to commemorate the 75th year of its founding. Holding of Lok Adalats at the Supreme Court and organizing a conference of district level judicial officers are but just 2 examples of addressing the ground realities related to our justice delivery system. I commend the CJI for such activities. Ladies and gentlemen, the members of the Constituent Assembly would have thought about the events of the decades behind them, just as we are looking back at the last 75 years of our judicial history. The experiences of suffering imperial arrogance like those caused by the bitter oppositions of the Albert Bill and the passage of the Rowlatt Act would have hurt their sensibility. They conceived the judiciary of independent India as an arm of the social revolution which would uphold the ideal of equality, equal justice, and getting rid of the now redundant colonial practices should be the guiding principle for our judiciary. While continuing with the useful aspects of the pre-independence jurisprudence, we should remove the legacy of our burden. As we celebrate the 75th year of the Supreme Court of India, I share the view of those who admire the contribution of the court as the conscience keeper of independent India. The Supreme Court of India has developed a jurisprudence which is rooted in the Indian ethos and realities. I have been told that the book titled Justice for the Nation, released today, captures the high points of the Supreme Court's journey of 75 years. It describes the impact of the Supreme Court on various aspects of the lives of the people. Our justice delivery system must strengthen our onward march as a just and fair society. I am glad to observe that the report on working of legal aid cells released today is devoted to the legal aid clinics operating in law schools in our country. I understand that such legal aid clinics contribute to imparting holistic legal education to our youth and sensitize them to the needs of the vulnerable segments of our society. The status of under trial prisoners has been an abiding concern for me. I am happy that the report on prison system released today seeks to understand the role of the judiciary in reducing the number of under trial prisoners. I hope that the publications released today will help realize the objectives of pre-legal aid and prison reforms, besides educating the people about the exceptional role played by the Supreme Court in our journey as a republic. I congratulate the members of bench and bar, past and present, for making the Supreme Court of India the great institution that it is. I wish the Apex Court of India a greater future ahead. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.